All right, if you guys followed along in my last live chat that I did, I said I had a lot of changes coming this year with the business and things that we're doing, and with my wife today, because we're going and we're about to buy our first investment property. So this is gonna be the first of many to come. We're excited, so let's get it done. As you can see behind me, this is our first property. It's a 3-unit, and the upstairs unit, that one's rented. The other 2 are not. So let's walk through, check them out, and see what they look like. So we'll just start at the front. Here's the outside. Built in the early 1900s. Come into the porch. Here's the main unit here. That's the upstairs unit, that's the one that's occupied. As we come inside, here's the entry. Here's the living room. Here's the other living room. As you can see, I pulled this carpet back and found there's nice hardwood floors under there. This is 1 bedroom, 1 bath. We're gonna change this and make this a 2nd bedroom, so it's 2 bedroom, 1 bath. Now this house is old, and the outside needs a lot of maintenance work. A lot of wood rotting that needs to be replaced, but all stuff that I can handle, so I'm not afraid of it. We knew it was gonna be a lot of work when we looked at it, but we got it at a good enough deal to where we're like, you know, I can fix up the outside little by little, versus the inside. If it's really, really trash, it's gonna take me a long time. And fortunately, they're not. So it's mostly cosmetic work, flooring, paint, updating the bathrooms, and it's not that much. So that's one of the reasons why we bought it, because we can get it rented on the inside, and then I can repair the outside as my time allows. It's gonna be a little difficult because I'm gonna have the handyman business. I have a full-time firefighting job and doing this. So it'll be a hard balance, but I think between my wife and myself, we can handle it. The walls are in pretty good shape. Like I said, you know, this is plaster, so we got some cracks we're gonna repair, but nothing too crazy. The 2nd living room. You walk this way into the kitchen, so you can see it's basically like out of the 70s. That might even be older than that, I bet you it is. Okay, nice kitchen. Cabinets are all in really, really, really good shape. New stove. We are gonna need to buy a refrigerator. And then as you come this way, we'll go this way first. Nice little pantry area. Not sure what we're gonna do with that yet. Here is the only bedroom currently. Has no door on it, I have no idea why. I did pull up the carpet here in that corner, and there is no hardwood in here. So what we'll do is we're gonna carry that new flooring into here. Nice size closet, just needs a door on it. More storage up there. Here's the bathroom. It's in really good shape. Now, the tub, we're gonna refinish that. As you can see, that has probably been leaking for 2 or 3 years. I don't know when is the last time somebody actually was in here renting it, but it's been a long time. I think we're gonna replace that toilet. This is in pretty good shape. We're gonna try to clean that up, paint this. And then here's like another area, like sitting area, that leads you out to the back. That's coming down. As you come out here, got a nice little city porch. Got a nice 2-car garage with a little extra storage area back there, but that thing needs some help. Okay, so that's the main unit. On the first floor, it's gonna be 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. And now we'll go into the basement unit, which doesn't have a bedroom. It's just one big open space, but it does have kitchen, bathroom, so it's like a studio. As you come in here, here's the entryway to the studio. This is definitely needs some help in here. Don't look bad from the camera, but trust me, I pulled this back. This was all rotted underneath here, so we're gonna pull all this out and repanel it all to make it look nice and new again. As you come down here, this is the whole studio area. Okay, so we got paneling up here, which nothing is behind it. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna drywall all of this. Okay, nice big open area. Nice closet. Decent sized kitchen here, nice little bar area to put a couple stools. Nice long countertops with some underneath cabinets. As you can see, we're gonna fix those. Refrigerator, I don't think we're gonna keep that fridge. We might need new appliances. They're kind of beat up and they're kind of nasty. We might try to move the fridge over there. Also too, guys, sorry about the lighting in here because the electricity, the old owners switched it off like immediately. They didn't even give us a chance to get it transferred into our name, so there's no power in this bottom unit, but the upstairs unit has power, so I'm not sure why they did that. All right, guys, I apologize for the lighting. Again, I'm gonna use my phone, but as you can see, little storage area there. There's a full shower in here. We're gonna replace that ceiling with something. Nice little vanity, mirror, toilet. Okay, so there you go. There's a quick walk around. My wife and me are so excited to be doing this and starting a new journey in real estate. We're so excited to redo this place and rent it out. We know it's gonna be a lot of work. We're gonna put a lot of sweat equity in it, but you know, you could put less time and effort into it, but in my area, buying properties, you're gonna spend a lot more money. So we're like, well, do we get something that needs to have work done to it and then do it, most of it ourselves? Or do we find something that's totally turnkey and you're just ready to find a tenant? We chose the other option. We just feel like we really want to get some experience at this, getting it fixed up, getting it rented out, and that whole process versus just it's turnkey and we're the new landlords, here's the keys, and then that's it. So I am doing most of the work myself. Now there's some things I'm not gonna do. We got a few electrical issues we gotta fix that I'm not doing. We gotta change out 2 panels that are fuses into breakers. Some plumbing things that have to be fixed that I'm not gonna do, and then a couple other things. But for the most part, most of the work I'm going to do. So obviously doing it myself will save us some money, number one, but number two, I feel like with my skill set, it gives me an advantage over some other people that I know through real estate that also do the same thing that I do, because a lot of them come into the houses and they look at them, but they really have no idea what something costs, what needs to be fixed. You can do this, you can do that. So I feel like I have an advantage over some of the other people just because I do have a skill set and I can look at something and know pretty much what needs to be done to it. So that's it. I can't wait to get started. I'm so excited. I'm thinking maybe I'll do a video of as I'm working. We'll see how it goes. But I'm so excited to show you guys the finished product. I can't wait till it's done. And here we go.